In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the famous triangle for solving concentration problems. This is really a verification tool. It is obviously better to use the algebra, but this is a nice way to verify your answers. So the triangle looks like this. You have a triangle with a line in the middle and a line across. So you write C at the bottom, left, mass on the top, and volume at the bottom right. And the two next to each other, C is times V if you're looking for mass. And the line right in the center here is a large, think of it as a big division sign. So let's try it out. As we do the example, you'll understand. So in this problem it says, in the solution of sugar we used 500 milliliters of water to make a 10 gram per liter solution. Question is, how much sugar was used? So again, you'll write the information you have, C equal, M equal, V equal. Do I know my concentration? Yes, 10 gram per liter. Do I know the mass? No, this is what I'm looking for. It says how much sugar was used. So, question mark. Volume is 500 ml, 500, and I'm going to go ahead and convert it right away. That would be 0.5 liters. Now, how do I use this triangle? Since I'm looking for mass, I'm going to hide in the picture. I'm going to hide, let's see if I can do this here. I'm going to hide letter M. If I'm looking for mass, I hide M, and it automatically gives you the formula you have to do, which is C times V. So M equal C times V. M, 10 gram per liter times 0.5 liters. As you see, the liters cross out, and I end up with my answer, mass equal 5 grams. Voila!